Hey everybody, this is Kevin from SlideSpeak speaking, and today I want to show you how you can create presentations like this one directly within ChatGPT using the ChatGPT plugin from SlideSpeak. So what you want to do is you want to head over to ChatGPT, and on the left hand side you will find a button labeled GPTs. So you want to click on that. And then within here, you want to search for SlideSpeak. And that will show you the SlideSpeak GPT on the GPT plugin store. So once you've clicked on that, simply click at the bottom here on Start Chat. And now you're already in the SlideSpeak plugin directly. So now you can simply ask it to create a presentation about anything you'd like. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask it to create a presentation about architecture in New York. And what it will do then is it will directly go ahead and use the SlideSpeak AI to create the presentation. All right, here we go. So ChatGPT has now finished creating the presentation about architecture in New York City. And it will directly provide you with a link to the presentation, so we can click on that. And what that will do is it will open the presentation directly in SlideSpeak. And as you can see, it has created a few slides for us on New York City. And it's actually fairly easy also to edit the presentation now directly in SlideSpeak. You can use AI to rewrite certain paragraphs or even edit some of the images. So let's say we want to replace this image with the central station. So then we can do that. It directly search for an image that matches it, and it's found one. And then we can simply click on Add Image. It will add the image. And afterwards, you can also, once you're happy, download that presentation as PowerPoint, PDF, or simply export it to Google Slides. And all that directly from within ChatGPT. We really hope you like this new feature and are excited about your feedback.